hello Mitchell, Olivia and Mum. Thank you for coming in to get your bloods done today.
Why do we get our bloods done?
Sometimes doctors and nurses want to check what's going on with you. Sometimes it helps us find out what's wrong. And sometimes, like for you, you're on a medicine for your rheumatology condition and we want to monitor that medicine's safe and it's working well for you. Some young people find it really difficult getting their bloods done. How do you find getting yours?
It's okay now, but when I was younger it was really hard.
So Mitchell, I'll just go get myself ready to do your bloods. I'll be back in a moment, okay? So let me just give your arm a clean where we're going to go, which is just going to be here. I'll pop this tourniquet on. Just pop it around nice and tight. A bit tighter actually. Let me just check there. That's fine, so we're just going to do this. How's that feeling?
Good.
And that's enough for what we're doing today, so I'm just going to pop that there, take this tourniquet off. Off it pops. Out it comes, and we're done. That's ready. And a wee plaster. And we're done. But it's now your sister's turn, Olivia. What do you find when you're getting your bloods done? How is it for you?
It was sore when I was about 4, but I'm fine now.
What did we do? Did we use magic cream? Did we use cold spray? Did you use Buzzy? Did you do anything?
I get the cold spray.
So I need to go wash my hands to do your bloods. I'll go do that just now, but can you do swap round so you're here on this side? I'll be back in a moment. Let's put your wee tourniquet on to make that vein stand up for me. And we're just going to give that a wee cold spray. Perfect. And here we go, just in we go. Once it's done, take that strap off. And we're done. That was fantastic. How was that for you? Was it sore? No? Did you feel it at all?
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit? So thank you Olivia, Mitchell and Mum for coming in and having your bloods done. I'll chat to you guys and Mum about your results at next clinic, but you guys can go away and have a great afternoon and thank you for coming in again.